That was funny. So we just saw a bald eagle, and we saw fish jumping.
Yeah, I saw fish jumping.
That was not just like a little perch.
No, I saw it. I don't know what it was, but it was like
big
this.
honking
Like that.
bass.
It leapt way out of the water.
It's
I was
cool.
like, whoa. It was weird. Brian had just finished saying that he saw somebody fishing. He thought, they're not
Yeah,
gonna catch
suckers.
anything, whatever. We're like, oh, babe.
Well, because this lake isn't stocked, the one next to it is, so people come here, we've done it too, where you just all day long you're fishing and you come up with maybe some crappie, which of course one time.
I caught the biggest pumpkin sunfish I'd ever
pumpkin
caught.
seed sunny, yeah.
It was beautiful, and it was like huge. I was like,
Yeah, but nobody saw it but you, which means that
Yeah.
you got to cut the size in half.
it was huge.
Hi, Matthew. You want to go all the way to the Rocky Point now?
You bet I do.
You bet I do.
You bet I do.
All right. I love y'all.
Squeezy.
Life is better in
Squeezy.
nature. Life is better out
Hey, Daddy Hero. Hello.
Life is better in the nature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Baba.